Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my class Writing 2 for online tutorial Universitas Terbuka. In this first week, we are going to learn and discuss a topic entitled Describing a Thing. When you listen to the word describing, it means that you are going to write a text about descriptive text. Well, let's move on into the next slide. So, how to describe a thing, how to create a descriptive text. There are several questions that you should prepare and answer in your text. The first one, I will give you some example of the questions. The first one is, what is the object? In this first question, you should mention clearly what you want to tell to the reader, what object you want to tell more in your text. Please be accurate and please be clear. The second one, you should mention and describe about its physical appearance. It answers questions, what does it look like? You can mention about the color, the size, and what is it made of, and what part does it have. You can also mention about the shape of the things and anything else you know about it. Remember that your descriptions should be based on its physical appearance, because you should be objective during your writing progress, especially about descriptive text. And we are going to learn also about adjective orders. So there are several kinds of types when you want to order about adjective. Another kind we are going to learn is adverbial and also offer and invitations. I think you can read more about the topic that we are going to discuss in this first class by reading by yourself, and also you can watch and read additional resources supplied in this week. Don't forget to answer the questions on the discussion forum, and we will see again next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.